Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to right click on the start icon and select settings. Once we are here, we need to click on these three lines and go to system, then just scroll down, go to about section. Again, just scroll down and click on advanced system settings. Once we are here, we need to click on settings from startup and recovery, and we need to uncheck this option. If you checked it, then make sure we have to uncheck it, automatically restart, then click on OK and close all windows one by one. Then we need to just go to device manager. Again, right click on the start icon and click on device manager. Once we are here, we need to expand the network adapters, then simply right click on particular connection, go to its properties, go to power management, and we need to uncheck this option, allow this device to wake the computer. Uncheck this one, then click on OK and close this window. That's it guys. Restart the system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. Go and check out, that will be a better way. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.